Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack Trip Easy. In today's video, we're diving into the beautiful and vibrant paradise that is the Philippines. With over 7,000 stunning islands, pristine beaches, and countless cultural treasures, the Philippines is a dream destination for travelers. But before you pack your bags, I've got some essential travel hacks to help you make the most of your trip. From the best times to visit and how to save on flights to hidden gems you won't find in typical travel guides, and tips on how to avoid scammers, I'll share insider tips that will enhance your experience and help you explore like a local. Whether you're planning a relaxing beach getaway or an adventurous island hopping journey, especially diving destinations in Palawan, such as Coron and El Nido, or visiting Bohol's Chocolate Hills, these hacks will make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the secrets to an unforgettable adventure in the Philippines. Passport validity is a primary requirement for international travel. The Philippines mandates that passports be valid for at least 6 months beyond the intended stay. This 6-month validity rule is a standard immigration policy. Travelers must verify their passport's expiration date before departure. Failure to meet this requirement may result in denied entry upon arrival. Checking passport validity is a crucial first step in travel preparation. Many nationalities are permitted to enter the Philippines without a visa. Visa-free stays typically range from 30 to 59 days, depending on nationality. It is essential to confirm the specific visa requirements based on your citizenship. The official Philippine Embassy website provides detailed information. Checking the embassy website ensures compliance with current regulations. Adhering to these requirements is crucial for a smooth entry into the Philippines. Comprehensive travel insurance is essential for unforeseen events during travel. It covers potential medical emergencies that may arise while traveling. Travel insurance also provides coverage for theft of personal belongings. Trip cancellations or interruptions are also covered under travel insurance policies. Healthcare costs can be substantial, especially in remote locations, making insurance a necessity for financial protection. The Philippine peso, PHP, is the official currency of the Philippines. Major establishments commonly accept credit card payments. Carrying cash is advisable for transactions with smaller vendors. Cash is particularly useful when traveling to rural areas. Smaller vendors and rural areas may have limited or no credit card processing facilities. Therefore, it's practical to have a mix of payment methods available. ATMs are widely accessible in Philippine cities and tourist destinations. They offer a convenient method for accessing cash. Be aware of potential withdrawal fees when using ATMs. These fees can vary depending on the bank and ATM used. Banks also impose daily withdrawal limits. Travelers should check their bank's specific fees and limits before traveling. Downloading essential apps enhances the overall travel experience. Google Maps provides offline navigation, ensuring direction even without internet access. Grab offers local ride-hailing services, facilitating convenient transportation. Google Translate enables easy communication, bridging language barriers effectively. The best time to visit the Philippines is during the dry season. The dry season spans from November to April. This period offers optimal weather conditions. Optimal weather is ideal for beach visits and outdoor activities. Typhoon season in the Philippines typically spans from June to October. Traveling during this period can lead to significant disruptions due to severe weather. These disruptions may include flight cancellations, road closures, and power outages. Avoiding travel during typhoon season minimizes safety risks associated with these conditions. Flight comparison websites can help find optimal deals. Skyscanner is a tool for comparing flight prices. Kayak provides options for flight searches. Google Flights is another platform for finding flights. These platforms can help save money on travel. Consider using these sites when booking flights to the Philippines. Consider staying in centrally located areas for convenient access to attractions. Manila and Cebu City are recommended for their central location and amenities. Online platforms such as Booking.com can assist in finding reliable accommodations. Reviews on Agoda can also help in evaluating the quality of potential accommodations. Reducing accommodation expenses is crucial for budget-conscious travel. Consider hostels as a cost-effective alternative to hotels. Guest houses also offer budget-friendly lodging options. Prioritize accommodations with positive reviews to ensure a satisfactory experience. Utilize hotel booking apps to find competitive rates. Opt for bookings with free cancellation policies for added flexibility. Package deals are a convenient option for island trips. These deals typically combine flights and accommodations into a single booking. Booking a package deal can often result in cost savings. Airlines like AirAsia frequently offer package deals. Cebu Pacific is another airline that provides affordable package options. These packages are particularly beneficial for domestic travel. Manila offers a blend of historical sites, relaxation spots, and modern shopping districts. Explore Intramuros, Manila's historic walled city, showcasing Spanish colonial architecture. Relax and enjoy the greenery of Rizal Park, a central urban oasis. Experience modern shopping and dining in Makati, Manila's financial district. Manila provides a diverse range of activities catering to various interests. The city's offerings range from historical exploration to contemporary leisure. Cebu offers a blend of natural beauty and historical landmarks. Kawasan Falls is a prominent natural attraction in Cebu. Visitors can experience the multi-tiered waterfalls and turquoise pools. Oslo provides the unique opportunity to swim with whale sharks. Magellan's Cross is a significant historical site in Cebu City. These sites collectively highlight Cebu's diverse appeal. El Nido in Palawan is famous for its stunning lagoons and secluded beaches. The area is a highly sought-after destination for diving enthusiasts. Its breathtaking landscapes make it a prime spot for nature lovers. The region's natural beauty is a major draw for tourists. Palawan's El Nido is celebrated for its diverse marine life. The area is a top destination for experiencing natural wonders. Boracay's white sand beach is a popular destination for relaxation. Visitors can participate in various water sports activities. The island offers a vibrant nightlife scene. Boracay is known as a premier beach destination due to its diverse attractions. Siargao is known as the surfing capital of the Philippines. Siargao attracts surfers with its consistent waves and ideal surfing conditions. The island also features beautiful islands and lagoons. These natural attractions appeal to nature enthusiasts. Bohol offers a variety of natural wonders and wildlife encounters. The Chocolate Hills are a unique geological formation in Bohol. These hills are known for their distinctive brown color during the dry season. The Tarsier Sanctuary provides a protected habitat for the endangered Philippine tarsier. Visitors can observe these small primates in their natural environment. A relaxing river cruise offers scenic views of Bohol's landscapes. Ride-hailing apps and official taxis help ensure fair fares. Using these services can prevent overcharging. Always confirm the fare before beginning the ride. Alternatively, ensure the meter is running properly. This practice helps maintain transparency in pricing. It also protects against unexpected or inflated costs. Book tours and guides through reputable agencies to ensure reliability. Hotels often provide reliable tour booking services. Exercise caution when approached by street touts offering very cheap tours. Unusually low prices can be a sign of unreliable or scam tour operators. Purchase goods from reputable market stalls and established malls. This reduces the risk of buying counterfeit or fake souvenirs. Be cautious of extremely low-priced items, as they are often knockoffs. Ensuring authenticity guarantees the quality and value of your purchases. Always withdraw cash inside banks to minimize theft risk. Use ATMs located in secure, well-lit areas for safer transactions. Regularly monitor bank transactions via mobile app. Promptly report any unauthorized activity to your bank. Maintaining vigilance in crowded environments is crucial for personal safety and security. Crowded markets and beaches are prime locations for pickpocketing and theft. Employing anti-theft bags can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim. These bags are designed with features to deter thieves and protect belongings. Keeping personal belongings close and secure is a fundamental preventative measure. Awareness and proactive measures are key to preventing theft in crowded public spaces. To minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses, choose reputable restaurants. Exercise extra caution when consuming seafood due to its higher risk of contamination. Opt for bottled water over tap water to ensure water safety. Avoid street food that appears unhygienic or improperly prepared. Unsafe food handling practices can lead to various health issues. Prioritizing food safety is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Adobo is a popular Filipino dish, known for its savory and tangy flavor. Sinigang is a soup characterized by its sour and savory broth. Lechon is a roasted pig dish, celebrated for its crispy skin and succulent meat. Halo is a dessert consisting of mixed fruits, shaved ice, and sweet toppings. Fresh seafood offers a taste of the Philippines' coastal cuisine. Street foods like isaw, grilled intestines, and banana Q provide authentic Filipino flavors. And there you have it, travelers. Those are my top travel hacks for exploring the breathtaking beauty of the Philippines. Remember, preparation is key to making the most out of your adventure. Whether you're navigating the busy streets of Manila, indulging in local delicacies, or lounging on the stunning beaches of Boracay, these tips will ensure you have a smoother and more enjoyable experience. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the rich culture and friendly hospitality that the Philippines is known for. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share your own tips or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences or what you're looking forward to in your Philippine adventure. Make sure to subscribe to Hack Trip Easy for more travel tips, guides, and inspiration for your next journey. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy travels. Explore, discover, and remember, adventure awaits in every corner of the Philippines.